Hello, I'm Roger Carter. Today we're going to learn all about nature. We're going to go on an adventure through the woods and learn all about... Is the camera on? Come here. Let me see. It's recording now, idiot. Let's start, just start over, just cut. Hello, I'm nature and... Shut up, Ned. I will disembowel you. No, I don't need the cue cards. Just, come on, keep rolling, come on. Hello, I'm Roger, and today we're going to go on an educational journey through nature, and we're going to learn lots of stuff, so let's go! What is nature? Nature is all around us. It's the trees and the grass, and it's not your phone, Ned. Give me that. It's not your phone! Plants! Plants use photosynthesis. They take your eyes out, Ned. I swear, just... Is it working now? Okay, good. Okay, just do it again. Plant! Trees! Trees have roots that go deep into the ground, and they soak water up out of the soil, and they use it to grow big and strong. And... Ned, lunch was like 2 hours ago, man. No, you can't go to the bathroom. You're just gonna eat your sandwich on the toilet, Ned. Ned! Come back here, you're fired! Yeah, no, he just took off. Like, it's been like an hour. I'm not gonna do it myself. What do you mean? Okay, fine, I will try. But I swear, if Ned is not fired tomorrow, I'm going to Animal Planet. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Oh, shit, okay. Hey, so trees use their roots into the ground and... Is it recording? Oh, okay. Oh. I'm Roger, and this is my show, Nature. Okay, one more try. Hi everybody, I really hope you can hear me. I don't really know how this works. I can't do this, I'm calling this. Ned!